Hi everyone, today we will see a GitHub Copilot processes a prompt. Okay, so prompt is basically the instructions we give to any AI. Okay, so how it processes the data. Okay, step by step, let's see. Now in this diagram we have the basically flow, how it receive the input and how we get the output. Okay, so basically some term is like inbound flow. Inbound means the any chat GPT or any AI receive the input which is called receive the input which will be the inbound flow, and it will return the response that will be the outbound flow. Okay, so here this is the diagram of inbound flow. Okay, so once we write any instructions, any prompt to any code editor, it will go to the proxy server. So before going to proxy server, it will, let me show you this thing. See, before going to the proxy server, Copilot received the user prompt. Okay, and then it generated the context. Okay, and this context it will pass to the proxy server. Okay, you got it. So firstly we write the instructions. Okay, then only it will go to the proxy server, and before going to proxy server it will generate the context. Okay, and then it will pass to the proxy filter. Okay, so this proxy filter is like a security gatekeeper, security you can say. Okay, it is like a security guard for Copilot. Okay, so once we generated the context and passed to the this filter, this toxicity filter, sorry, proxy server, then it will go to the toxicity filter. See, so what this toxicity filter it will check, is it included in hate speech or personal data. Okay, if it passes this toxicity filter and proxy, okay, proxy server and toxicity filter, then only it will go to the LLM. Okay, LLM is basically large language model. So it is basically AI engine. Okay, it is a brain of AI. Okay, so let me summarize this. The user input, you write a comment or instruction in natural language. Okay, and then secure transmission, your request is sent safely to the GitHub Copilot server. Okay, and then it will generate a context. Okay, context collection, Copilot gather the information from your open files and code to understand all the full context. Okay, so once the context is generated, okay, then it will go to the proxy server. Okay, and then it will go to the toxicity filter, and then it will go to the LLM, which is final. To clean to the see, the clear prompt goes to the LLM, the AI engine that powers the Copilot. Okay, so I show you this inbound flow. Okay, now this will be opposite of outbound flow. So it will firstly it will go from LLM to proxy server, proxy to this toxicity filter, and then it will go to the code editor back. Okay, so this is basically flow of like flow, like how Copilot process our input. Okay, so this flow it follows. If any questions, please write a comment. Thank you.